Hello Dr. Z. This is the ladder program for the third question. Here I have put a push button to increase the temperature uh, by 5 degrees at every 1 second. So for that I have a timer with preset value 1. So when the accumulator value reaches 1, this DN gets energized. So this DN gets energized, that means this input gets energized, and then comes the add function. So now whenever this is 1 second, the value in N70 is added with 5 and is stored in N71. The initial temperature is 590 as seen here. I have put this in register N70. So this value gets added with 5 and stored in N71. So then in this branch I have this same N71 here. The value in N71 is moved to N70. So in the next cycle, when this becomes 1 again, and this second branch is loaded, the updated value of N70, that is 590 plus 5, 595 is obtained in at this register N70, and then 5 is added again, so that the temperature increases by 5 every 1 second. Similarly, this is the push button for temperature decrease. Whenever I push this, the temperature decreases by 5 degrees every 1 second. So this is similar to the first part. The timer is set to 1 second, and here instead of add I have used subtract. That means it subtracts the value in register N70 by 5, and there is again a branch which consists of the move function. This move function is similar to this move function as I described. This is used to store the updated value of N70, so that every 1 second the temperature decreases by 5. So now here are the two conditions. So whenever the temperature N70, that is stored in N70, is less than 504, that is the lower set point. When this value is less than 504, the light is turned on and heater is turned off. So I have given the name as heater off. So whenever this is energized, that means the heater is off. And then the second condition is whenever whenever the temperature is greater than 504, this light gets on and heater gets off. And in this condition, whenever the temperature is less than the lower set point, which is 496, the heater gets on and the lamp gets on. And finally I have a condition here, so that the temperature, whenever I push the increment or decrement button, the temperature doesn't go beyond the boundary values. So I have set the boundary values as 600 and 400. That means whenever the temperature is above 600, the process gets ended. Similarly, when the temperature goes below 400, the process is ended. So let's download this. Okay, run this again. Okay, initially I have the value of the temperature at 590. So at this time, you see the heater is off and the light is on, because 590 is greater than 504, that is the upper limit temperature. Now I will try to decrease this. Okay, whenever I when I push this, the temperature starts to decrease by 5 every 1 second. So now you can see whenever this value is less than 504, these two goes off, and when it reaches 496, less than 496, this two gets on. We can see right here, this two gets on. So let's toggle this, and now let's see what happens when we increase the temperature. You can see now the temperature is increasing. Since it is below 496, these two are on. Now you can see these two are off, and when it reaches beyond 405, this light gets on and heater gets off. Also, now when this temperature reaches 600, you can see this end process has been energized and the process is stopped. So this was all in the third question. Thank you.